Hi, in this video we will be introducing our new electric retrofitted Maruti Suzuki Esteem. So this one is a lot cheaper than the conventional petrol electric Esteem. So this model has a running cost of rupees 1 per kilometer on average driving conditions. And in one charge this vehicle can cover a range of 80 kilometers. Now let's see what's under the hood of this car. So right here we have a 10 kilowatt 72 volt BLDC motor. So this thing has a better acceleration than the engine and it's a lot lighter, as you can see. For KPIT Sparkle, we plan on adding much more systems onto this. One being the automation system, which will be an assisted parking system in which you can use a smartphone or a laptop to control this vehicle and a very low speed, and you can park this thing autonomously. And we will have multiple cameras, and the details from all these cameras will be processed using OpenCV and Python. So we will be using image processing to navigate the vehicle and understand road signs and act accordingly. So we will be having a lot of sensors in. Right there you can see all the control and battery management system monitoring systems. Then you can see all the vehicle data and telemetry can be monitored here. In India you can see a lot of people with some drapery outside, like a bit of shawl or that churidar will be sticking out of this door sometimes. So we will be adding another system where we will sense all these things and the door will not close. So we will have a system where you can park the car using Wi-Fi, using your smartphone or a laptop. And we will have another system in which you can sense all the living organisms which are around the car. Like if you have kids or pets, they will walk around and play around these cars. So when you start the car, there's a bit of confusion, there's a bit of tension. Everyone will face that there might be a cat lying under the car. So we won't have any problems like that. Since battery backup and range are our chief concerns when it comes to any electric vehicle, we will be storing all this telemetry data in a database, and we will use a machine learning algorithm to learn from this data, which will suggest better ways of driving. One of the biggest challenges we have ahead is adding a magnetic suspension system to this vehicle. So it will ensure smoother and safer ride while improving battery and comfort. Other than all these sensors, which is often seen in a lot of electric cars, we will be using image processing and LiDAR-based navigation to make the experience even better. So we will have onboard cameras which will be looking for all road signs and the traffic itself. So the driver will be always aware of the surroundings in a better way. So if the traffic signs shows a speed limit of say 30 kilometers per hour, then the car will automatically reduce the speed to 30 kilometers per hour after acknowledging the driver. We will be adding a system to this car in which the driver can actually talk to the car using voice commands and even gestures. So the car will be smarter, so it's easier. Like if you want the wipers to turn on, you don't have to get your hands off the steering wheel. You can just say wipers on.